welcome back to week 2 of Vlogmas numero 2. So this will be a quick mini vlog because I'm just too excited. I wanted to show you guys what I just got. Actually, by the way, shout out to Snapchat for making videotaping so much fun with these filters. Very special someone knows that I like food, and he decided to bring me my favorite fritai. Yes, Haitian food. So it's kind of like a appetizers that we have in Haiti. It's a variety of fritters, fried food, and
okay, so here it is. Here we go. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. So what this is, for those of you that don't know, where's the filter? There we go. That don't know Haitian food, these are different appetizers that we make in Haiti. Basically, it's a variety of fritters, fried food, but they're finger food. They're so good, guys. Believe me, if you don't know about Haitian food, you better ask somebody, like right now, sis, please.
Let's get back to business.
Over, we have banan frisée, which is fried plantain. She added some salad and also some wings. You can see it here. We have some akra. That's the one I told you guys that I don't know what it is, but I'm going to post a picture. We have the fried potatoes, sweet potatoes, the white one. We have more pickles. We have a whole snapper that she added. Another favorite of mine, she added some pickles. Anytime you're having fritai, well, this whole variety, by the way, guys, is called fritai. Anytime you're having fritai, always have to have this. This is basically shredded cabbage with lemon juice. Sometimes they put onion in there. It's just kind of like our version of coleslaw, but ours is, it's not sweet, and it's spicy. So if you don't like spicy food, I'm sorry, but I mean, some people, they don't make it that spicy, but some do. So it depends on your preference. But this is big to Yusling for preparing this. She's basically starting her own business with this. She does it every Friday, and I was just so happy and excited that the special someone brought it in for me. That way I get to participate in supporting her a little bit, you know. Okay, so this is it, you guys. Hope you like this quick mini vlog of what I'm eating right now. I'm not gonna do it in a style of mukbang because I'm gonna share it with family. So I just wanted to present it to you guys so you guys have a feel on what some of my background, my Haitian background, food consists of. So I'll see you guys always. This is not goodbye, but see you later, darling. Bye.